Hi, welcome all you for another session in the power plant. In the previous video, we have discussed about solar power plant, right? What are the different functions and how the basics of power plant has been working under conditions. We are discussed in the previous sessions. Now we are going to discuss about how it has been working, right? So everybody knows the solar is come from radiation, right? Now we are going to discuss about how it has been the working principle and the basic components are going to we are discussed. So before that, the solar components, the different type of components in PV system is a solar panel, controller, battery, and inverter. So everybody knows there is a need to convert the solar into an electrical energy, right? So in this case, the solar panel is required. They are needed to convert solar energy to electricity through the following diagram that represents the N-type and P-type conductors and the sun and negative electrodes are represented and the positive electrodes are below. They are connected together, the electric current is produced in and it is transmitted to the sensor. Similarly, batteries are used for to store energy offline. That is well direct current. If you use direct use to any load, it works. But on the time like night, there are no sunlight in this time. If we cannot the load to achieve, at time we need this. Similarly, the controller, the charge controller is one type of voltage regulator to charge the batteries and keep away cell from hanging. And similarly, the power inverter it is one of type of the inverter and it is converted DC to the 230 volt AC as per the need of applications. So the synthesis sine wave versus actual 60 cycle of sine waves represent the figure. So solar thermal electricity is the solar's collectors capture and concentrate light, sunlight to heat a synthetic oil called a terminal, which then heats water to create steam. The steam is then piped into an on-site uh, turbine generator to produce electricity, which is transmitted over power lines. On cloudy days, the plant has supplementary natural gas boiler. The plant can burn natural gases to heat the water and able to create the steam to generate electricity. This is the picture how the solar panel has been working with it, where the solar collectors are collected and the solar heated transferred to solar is superheated, and the steam generator has been created. That steam generation and superheat steam has been transferred to the airflows, and the airflows has been transferred to a turbine, where the turbine moves tends to rotate. Turbine tends to rotate, the steam and water are flows to condenser. Then the hot water has been cooled, cooling water has been transferred from the tank, and it has been combined together. So the various rotation of a turbine will result in an electric generator. Once the electricity has been generated, it is being stored and transferred to via transformer. So this is the direct solar thermal power plant 3D view. Like the solar energy is collected from sun rays. Then the water has been transferred to evaporated boiler. Once the evaporated boiler has been done, again it has been tendency to move to solar pond. So the working fluid has just moved from moved towards the turbine. Once the working fluid has moved towards the turbine, the hot heated water has been getting back into the condenser. The condenser moves to the cooling tower. Once the cooling tower has been cooled the material and it is returned back to the condenser. Then again, it has been transferred to a working fluid. This is how the process has been generated. The examples of the large scale industries using the power generation is a solar. So the example for that has been given in the picture, which shows the representative how it has been effectively used and what is how the electricity has been generated with using an n number of solar panels. So this is especially used for bulk industrial process such as various industries who produces more than 1,000 products in a day, where you using utilizes in the solar power plant. This is one of the assembly section used in several countries where they has been tend to move and get the data. So as far as concern, the thermal electric power plant has a different applications, right? So these applications. Several applications are based upon the solar panel creations, as I said that earlier. So to consider solar panels, one requires several solar cells made up of doped silicon. As been discussed before, these are connected in a series to add up the resultant current. This gives strip of cluster cells called module. A single module could be constructed in a solar panel or combined with others in case where large panel is required. A solar panel consists of several layers that sandwich the photovoltaic cells. These are of cover glasses
layers, non-effect reflective layer, contact grade, PN silicon diodes, back plates, aluminum, and also the aluminum frame is used for the frame the panel and make it as weatherproof. So the benefits of the frame provides means of such mounting on the plane surface such as rooftops. The roof frame is tight enough to protect the panel against extreme weather conditions such as storms. So the solar panel should be under constant care to prevent dust particles from resting on it. During the installation process, the panel should be fixed at an angle to receive maximum light. An operational battery should be set in place in case of no direct use to avoid waste. As far as concerned, the applications, solar energy for water pumping, solar water heaters, solar cookers, solar dryers, solar furnaces, photovoltaic conversions, solar power generation, solar distillation stations. These are the applications of solars where we are using that. And and the site is availability of solar radiation, availability of large land, access from national highways should be there, distance for transmission lines, local weathering congestion, land prices, and future rates also to be taken into consideration while selecting this land. So there is no need of separate maintenance. It is an important one to get electricity in normal days. Even we can use it in home as an home appliances. So this is something about an solar power plant. I think hope everybody understand. We will catch up in the next show. Till that, bye bye. Thank you.